Now this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. 4th A. Subject is GSC 17/9/2020 and lesson 7, digestion of food. Lesson 7, digestion of food. Lesson 7, digestion of food, and here we are solving worksheet 7. Worksheet 7 and D, and here you see D. Label the picture. Label the picture. One diagram is given, picture is given. This picture about the digestive system. You have write the name. So first, you see here. First one is mouth. You see on diagram it is given. You can take the help of this diagram. You can take the help of this diagram, and on the base once you see this diagram, a letter close this diagram and label the different part of the digestive system. So first you see here. This is mouth, and next you see here second part. What is this? This is the food pipe. You see here that is diagram. This is food pipe. Second is food pipe, and third you see here. This is the here you have to write food pipe. And here this is the liver. And fourth, this is structure. This is the here you see this diagram. This is the stomach. You see here. This is the stomach. Stomach. Fourth and fifth is you see here, and here this is the small intestine. Small intestine, and sixth you see here large intestine. Large intestine. In this way, you can label the different part of the digestive system. So that is the end of this lesson. End of this lesson, and let us explore. Make a chart showing good eating habits. Also discuss the harms of eating junk foods. So it is make a chart showing good eating habits. Also discuss the harms of eating food. So here this is the diagram. This diagram is more clear as you can see here, since diagram is not here, so first you have to write one is the mouth. First is mouth, and next food pipe. And this is the stomach. And next, this structure is liver. And this is the small intestine. The small intestine, and this one is the large intestine. Large intestine. So this is the diagram. This is the diagram. And label the different part. This is the mouth. This is the food pipe. This is the stomach. This is liver. This is small intestine, and this is the large intestine. So you can make this diagram in your the notebook and label different parts. So we are discussing. Let us explore. Make a chart showing good eating habits. Also discuss the harms of eating junk food. So this is the list. This is the list. And drink lot of water. It helps in eliminating waste from the body. Second, chew the food properly. Next, eat green vegetables, salads and fruits. Eat 4 to 5 small meals daily. Wash your hands properly before and after eating food. Limit intake of junk food. Have home cooked and the balanced diet. Every day we have to take the balanced diet. If we are not taking balanced diet, we may suffer from the diseases. And it is given about the junk food. Junk foods are the mainly oily, and they may causes the obesity. So we should avoid to take the junk. They also affect on our digestive system, and they causes the obesity. So we should avoid to take the junk food. We can take junk food, but in a very limited amount. So in this way, you can make a chart showing good eating habits, and also discuss the harms of the eating junk food. So thanks. This is for today. Next day we will start new lesson. That is the lesson 10 about the clothes. Thank you. That's for today.